Hello everyone. The topic of today's video discussion is the publications that the IRS has available online. Now, of course, for every tax topic, you're not going to find a publication online, but there are a number of publications online that are very beneficial to reference if you have questions relating to the particular subject matter of the publication. So in front of me, I have a list of the online publications that the IRS has available, and I'm going to read those off to you. I'm going to read the title of the publication first, and then I'm going to give you the publication number. So again, if you have any questions relating any of the subject matters of the topics, you can refer to the applicable IRS publication. So, as I was not about to try to memorize the publications, I'm going to be reading, like I said, from a sheet that's in front of me. So occasionally, you're going to see me look down at the paper, and then I will give you the necessary information. Okay, so let's get started here. Armed Forces Tax Guide, IRS Publication number 3. Employers Tax Guide, IRS Publication 15, and it's also referred to as the Circular E. E as in Edward. The Employers Supplemental Tax Guide, Publication 15-A, A as in Apple. The Employer's Tax Guide to Fringe Benefits, Publication 15-B, B as in Boy. Your Federal Income Tax, which is basically the Bible, the go-to for individual taxpayers. That's IRS Publication 17-17. And they also have that publication in Spanish, and that's Publication 17SP. Agricultural Employers Tax Guide, Publication 51-51. Tax Guide for U.S. Citizens and Resident Aliens Abroad, that is Publication 54. Circular SS, Publication 80. I'm not exactly sure what the SS is, but that's Publication 80. Circular PR, Publication 179. Farmers Tax Guide, Publication 225. Tax Guide for Small Businesses relating to Schedule C filers, Publication 334. Travel, Entertainment, Gift, and Car Expenses, Publication 463. Exemptions, Standard Deduction, and Filing Information, Publication 501. Medical and Dental Expenses, Publication 502. Child and Dependent Care Expenses, Publication 503. Divorced or Separated Individuals, Publication 504. Tax Withholding and Estimated Tax, Publication 505. Tax Calendars, Publication 509. Excise Taxes, Publication 510. Foreign Tax Credit for Individuals, that is Publication 514. Again, Foreign Tax Credit for Individuals, Publication 514. Excuse me, got to clear my throat there, don't want to choke. Withholding of tax on non-resident aliens and foreign entities, Publication 515. U.S. Government Civilian Employees Stationed Abroad, Publication 516. Social Security and Other Information for members of the clergy and religious workers, publication 517. U.S. Tax Guide for Aliens, publication 519. Moving Expenses, publication 521. Selling Your Home, publication 523. That's the publication you want to reference if you are curious about whether or not you qualify for the home sale exclusion. You can refer to publication 523 for that. Credit for the Elderly or Disabled, publication 524. Taxable and non-taxable income, publication 525. Charitable Contributions, publication 526. Residential Rental Property, publication 527. Miscellaneous Deductions, publication 529. By the way, under the new Tax Cuts and Jobs Act, miscellaneous deductions have been suspended for tax years 2018 through December 31st, 2025. So certain miscellaneous tax deductions you can't claim for those years. Tax Information for Homeowners, publication 530. Reporting Tip Income, publication 531. Depreciating Property Placed in Service Before 1987, publication 534. Business Expenses, publication 535. Net Operating Losses for Individuals, Estates, and Trust, NOLs, publication 536. Installment Sales, publication 537. Accounting Periods and Methods, publication 538. Regarding accounting methods, you have either cash, accrual, hybrid, etc. That is what's discussed, some of the information discussed in this publication. Partnerships, publication 541. Corporations, publication 542. Sales and Other Dispositions of Assets, publication 544. Casualties, Disasters, and Theft, publication 547. Investment Income and Expenses, publication 550. Basis of Assets, publication 551. Tax Guide for Seniors, publication 554. Community Property, publications 555. This particular publication relates to taxation in community property states because tax rules are slightly different if you live in a community property state. For example, if you live in a community property state and you're married and you want to file separately, you're going to have to report 50% of your spouse's marital income and expenses on your tax return, and they're going to have to do the same thing on their tax return. So it's more of a hassle than it's worth, probably, filing taxes separately in a community property state. But if you have any questions relating that, again, reference publication 555. Examination of Returns, Appeal Rights, and Claims for Refund, publication 556. And Tax Exempt Status for Your Organization, publication 557. So I just read you a list of the IRS online publications, and this list came directly from the IRS's website. So these are currently the online publications that you can reference in regards to a particular matter that you might have. Okay, well, as my goal is to help you make your life a little less taxing, I hope that the information that I have provided in this video does just that. Thank you for listening.